Hello and welcome to Saturday Morning Live. Last कुछ घंटे हैं to get our beautiful georgette at a special price and make sure that you're going to get it in a color that you like and love the most. You have of course really gone for the ivory one, and big thanks because yes, you have loved it. And it's always really great when we do something new and then you like it. It's always the stamp that we need. Now, what I'm showing you today is something else. Now, look at that. This is the most beautiful organza that you're seeing in a dupatta. This dupatta is originally priced 12,800, but at the moment it is for 11,000, which makes it absolutely mandatory that you have it. Now, if you're going to go for 5 meters plus this dupatta, it's going to be 25,000. One nice figure for you to have a gorgeous look. क्या शादी परफेक्ट है? हाँ, एकदम. क्या रिसेप्शन में पहन सकते हैं, पहले के इवेंट्स में पहन सकते हैं, gorgeous grand parties में पहन सकते हैं. Yes. So for 25,000, 5 meters of this and this dupatta. बट अगर आप चाहें कि मेरे जैसा थोड़ा छोटा लें आपका कुर्ता, बिकॉज दिस इज लाइक अ कॉर्ड लुक, बट कॉर्ड हैज नेवर लुक बेटर बिकॉज वी हैव द मोस्ट परफेक्ट फिनिशिंग टू इट विद दिस दुपट्टा. वी हैव जस्ट पोस्टेड द स्टाइल वीडियो, इट्स देयर ऑन द पेज, बट रुकिएगा बाद में देखिएगा. सो इट्स देयर, यू कैन सी द फुल लुक. Now, if you're going to go for a look like this, तो आप 4.5 मीटर भी ले सकते हैं. You can get a full sleeves, shorter length, and a nice pajama. Okay, so that's your look. It's a beautiful rust color. Also, sundowners में देखें या शाम की weddings देखें, parties देखें, evening, it's going to be a really nice color for you. और जो दूसरा स्पेशल चीज चल रही है अभी वो ये है कि ये दुपट्टे, एंड लुक एट दैट ब्यूटीफुल दुपट्टा इन ब्लैक. I hope you love it because it is stunning. Is for 11,000. अब again the maths is the same. अगर आप ये really nice, and I cannot enough appreciate the fact that we've finally gone for a georgette look, and I don't know what I was waiting for इतने सालों से. We never tried it enough. एक ही हमने कॉर्ड किया था पर हमने इसको हमेशा ऐसा साइड में समझा, बट ये एक्चुअली एक फैब्रिक है जो इतना सुंदर लग रहा है एज अ सूट. नाउ दिस वन, नाउ लॉट ऑफ यू आस्किंग दैट इज योर जॉर्जेट थिक. इट्स ब्यूटिफुल, इट्स गॉट दैट डेंसिटी विच गिव्स इट फ्लो. दानेदार है, प्योर है, 42 इसकी विड्थ है, एंड आप बाय द मीटर इसको खरीद सकते हैं 250 रुपये मीटर. नाउ आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ यू हैव गॉन फॉर द 7.5-6 मीटर, एंड दैट्स अ लुक, क्योंकि आइवरी में आपको उतना मीटर चाहिए होगा. नाउ दिस इज द लुक जहां आपको 4, 4.5, 5 मीटर से कम, depending on your height and size, you'll be able to do a cord like a short kurta and this pajama. This both you can do in 4.5. Then you get this dupatta and 11,000 का most amazing look. Now पहली बात मैं ये दिखा दूं आपको. Look at that, it's a black combination. आज मेरे पास कुछ ही pieces हैं. Yes, many pieces are all shipped out, but we're right here showing you what we have available and ready, ताकि आप इनको ले पाए. नाउ दिस वन इज अ वेरी लवली पिंक. अच्छा, इस पिंक की और ये दुपट्टा एक्चुअली मैं अगर आपको सच बताऊं तो ये सब सोल्ड आउट है. वी हैव जस्ट गॉटन इट फ्रॉम द इन्वेंट्री, फ्रॉम आवर डिस्पैच एक्चुअली, टू शो इट टू यू दैट यू कैन गेट दीज कलर्स. लाइक लुक एट दैट, इट्स द नाइसेस्ट हॉटेस्ट पिंक. नियॉन का कल से चल रहा है, नियॉन ग्रीन, नियॉन येलो, नियॉन पिंक. वी हैव ऑल ऑफ दीज अमेजिंग कलर्स. सो अगर आप चाहें ये 11,000 का दुपट्टा करने के लिए, तो इसमें बस ये ध्यान रखिएगा कि ये डिजाइन सोल्ड आउट है. यू कैन चूज वन ऑफ द अदर डिजाइन्स, एंड दिस फैब्रिक, इफ यू जस्ट सी दिस फैब्रिक, लाइक you can like see the movement, see the flow. It is gorgeous. ये जो पूरी light है, it's really special. It's a combination of having natural light, but it also has this beautiful color control, temperature modulated light, which gives you the exact way. It also gives you the kind of richness that you will feel when you wear this. So make sure that you're catching this live. आज ये Saturday है, ये कल तक special price hai, and this is also on our new website, which is www.neeb.store. Okay, that's the website, and our website is also as special as everything that we do. Video based है, आप ऊपर video देखेंगे, नीचे product देखेंगे, and you will be done. Now look at that, it's a really nice lemony. So हमने इस पे 2 ही लाइव किए हैं. The one was an ivory one which we had done, and this is the second one that we are doing. Okay, कल का of course apart from the neon, something that was really hot was our linens, and linen prints at 2400 rupees meter in cotton are really nice. And if you haven't seen it, please make sure, but not now, after the live of course, you have gotten your linens ऐसा fabric है, कॉर्ड पहने उसका, अच्छा ये लुक में चाहे तो सिर्फ 4.5 मीटर 4 मीटर में हो जाएगा आपका, डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर साइज. नाउ लुक एट दिस वन, इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल डीपर रेड. ये बहुत लाइट नहीं है और बहुत ब्राइट नहीं है, इट्स दैट वेरी रिच कलर दैट यू कैन गो फॉर. नाउ I know that so many of you have been going after the beautiful pink tones. Now this one is a pink with an undertone of brown, and now you can see the gorgeousness of it. I think it's absolutely amazing. Now I'll also show you the fabric, but you can see, बहुत सारे questions आते हैं कि आपका organza कैसा है. मुझे थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है पूरे टाइम मैनेज करने में. I can do a live, I can do my work while I wear an organza dupatta. So you can only imagine that when you are in your leisure time enjoying a dupatta, you definitely must go for this look. Now, ye dekhiye, this one, it's a beautiful one. And the ivory, because of its stunning color, feel, look, and 3 dupatta options usme. And if you have missed it, let me just say that the ivory is available with 2 options in organza. एक 11,000 का दुपट्टा, एक 14,000 का दुपट्टा है, दोनों स्पेशल प्राइस पे हैं till tomorrow. And then you also have a georgette polka option. So whether you're going to be going for the rust, whether you're going to be going for the ivory, it is definitely your color that you cannot miss. And of course, neon mein most of you have done exactly what I think is the best way, which is just the bottoms in that, and then you can do like a t-shirt, you can do like a white perfect t-shirt, you can do a white shirt, you can do a white kurta. The white kurta can be in katan, it can be in plain georgette, and t-shirts can be t-shirts and shirts can be shirts, and it's going to look amazing. So neon green, neon yellow, and neon pink are your options for pants. This one is a 4.5 meter ka silhouette for your cord. And then you have the grandness in the ivory, which is 6 to 7.5 meters, depending on the ghera you want. But colors are all here for you to be seen. This dupatta at a special price of 11,000. This fabric at 2,800, and I have 2 dupattas. Let's show you both the dupattas. It's a great way to be choosing because हम आपको डायरेक्ट दिखाते जा रहे हैं. WhatsApp पे ऑर्डर इज ओपन. हर जगह आप देखेंगे कि WhatsApp नंबर हमारा पिन है. All you will need to do is just come on WhatsApp and place your order. Now what you're seeing here, look at this piece. It's amazing. It's this beautiful shade. It's polka. I love it, Now एक तो neon pink था. Then this one is a slightly darker pink. So both the colors very, very different. Here it is. And you can see that, right? So such nice colors. Ab ye aapka pehne wale, you can be wearing it in the day, you can wear it in the evening, and it's going to be amazing because it's really something that you will be doing all over. And wear them, enjoy them, make the most of them. That's the whole idea. Monday say, of course, there is a price revision on georgettes, which is going to be now at 3,450 per meter. So it's that right now 2,800. 5 meter for 14,000. What is the match for 4 meter? And let's just do the 4 meter wala match. अच्छा, एक चीज जो बहुत जरूरी है, which I'll tell you, it is going to be 11,200 में आपको 4 मीटर मिलता है, जिसमें आप ये कॉर्ड लुक कर सकते हैं कोई और एक से ज्यादा कलर्स में, because you really must be wearing, I think everybody is at average gone for a 3 to 4 colors, or somebody, most of you have gone for 3 colors. I think that's what I was seeing, because it just makes so much sense to do one traditional suit, one cord suit, one only pants or only kurta, because that's the way that you're going to be wearing it. And now ab baat aati hai is dupatte pe. Now this dupatta is with the tassel ones, and iska price I will just tell you कि exactly क्या आ रहा है in offer, but you can see इसकी enhancement हो जाती है with the tassels. In offer, this is for 13,450. No India shipping extra. What better to be going for this beautiful combinations. अच्छा, जिनमें tassels नहीं है उनमें भी लग जाएगा, उसका भी यही प्राइस होगा 13,450. See this combination. Look at that. I am going to touch a very important topic after this, which is going to be linings and linings for georgettes. Okay, so I'm going to go on that there you go. It's really nice, the most beautiful zari combination. I know आप में से बहुत है हमारे pages में, with your love, we have lakhs of you on our pages, on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. We're there everywhere. We also have a web store. And many of you are our clients, but many of you have been seeing us for many years, okay? And I know that sometimes many of you think कि यार मैं कैसे वो एक step लूँ towards Neev. मेरा ये कहना है कि ये जो events हैं ये designed ही है इसके लिए ताकि आप वो step ले पाए. So जब आप सोच रहे हैं कि मैं बहुत कुछ लूँ, मुझे सब अच्छा लगता है, ये बहुत बार आती है बात, तो मेरा हमेशा आपको एक ही सजेशन है, स्टार्ट विथ वन, देन यू नो व्हाट वी आर ऑल अबाउट, और उसके बाद हम यही हैं, हम तो यही हैं आपके लिए. एंड सो देयरफॉर इट्स ऑलवेज गुड टू स्टार्ट विथ वन. नाउ इफ यू आर गोइंग फॉर दिस, अगर आप ले रहे हैं 5 मीटर प्लस दुपट्टा, इट कम्स एट अ ग्रेट प्राइस. सिर्फ दुपट्टा ले ले, सिर्फ फैब्रिक ले ले, बट टेक दैट स्टेप, ब्रेक द आइस. वी आर एवरी डे, हम ये लाइव्स इसीलिए करते हैं कि हम ये आइस ब्रेक कर पाए आपसे. सो दिस इज 13,450, दिस दुपट्टा इन ऑफर, और ये 5 मीटर is for 14,000. Okay, so that's the mass that you're going to go for. And you look at this combination. अगर मैं ये, let's do the organza एक बार. So I will show you that when you play, I mean, you'll see a standing video, it's there, okay, so I'll show it to you. But when you see this highlighting with this body highlighting with this plain thing or kuch gold accessories is just right, because you don't want it to be too much, you don't want it to be really simple. It gives you such good highlighting, and what a grand look. Very easy to wear from the back to the front. You can of course wear it like this, but मेरे लिए हमेशा ये look is more for a suit look, which we will say with the ivory. With this one you wear it like this, it looks amazing. I mean, this is so beautiful. इसको मैं single है तो जरूर दिखाऊंगी, but look at the beauty of this color. It's the most amazing, and here you can see this. It's most perfect shade of pink. I have a few pieces which I have. Of course, the ivories and all the designs are on pre-order. They're all in making. बनते जाएंगे, निकलते जाएंगे. एंड अगर आपने नहीं मिस कर दिया है वो लाइव, तो मिस करने की चीज ही नहीं है. इट्स देयर pinned on the page. We should pin it down on Facebook as well. So let's do this. That's your combination that you're going for. The same kind of look that you'll be able to create. Now the same thing. Now I'll show you. ये देखिए, this is the look that you'll be able to create with it. And इसके लिए मैं fabric भी दिखाती हूँ. Okay, I don't know a way to show it because my kurta is really short. But if you see, this lining that is here is actually raw silk lining. तो मैं यही बोलना चाहती थी आपको, दो चीजें. अगर आप आइवरी लुक देखें, उसमें कॉटन लाइनिंग, इट्स एक्चुअली आर कॉटन लाइनिंग विच इज सो सुपर्ब दैट इट लुक्स इक्वली ब्यूटिफुल. लाइक कई बार लोग सोचते हैं कि कॉटन से डल हो जाएगा. नो, इट इज गिविंग यू द मोस्ट परफेक्ट लुक इन दैट कलर. सो यू कैन गो फॉर द कॉटन लाइनिंग विच इज 480 पर मीटर. हम आपको कलर मैच करके देंगे. सो इट इज लाइक मोर ऑफ अ इजिएस्ट वे टू गेट इट. And then when you want, now इस color में जो आप darkness देख रहे हैं, do we have this color? This is the color, okay? So I'm going to show you this color anyways, okay? And दुपट्टा तो मेरे हाथ में ही है. So this is the color. Now you see this is the single layer. Then you will see there is that certain darkness to this color, okay? There is the certain darkness to this color. It comes because of a really good lining. Now if you like that halka sa sheen, then you go for raw silk. It's also the same price, 480 per meter. But दोनों ही में, क्योंकि वो लाइनिंग फैब्रिक से, ऑफ कोर्स कलर विल बी स्लाइटली डिफरेंट, बट हम सेम ही जो पानी में जब डिप होता है, सेम ही पानी में साथ में ही डिप करेंगे और वो कलर आएगा उसमें, जिससे इसमें आपको ग्रेस आएगी. तो चाहे आप कॉटन लें और थोड़ा सा एडेड ग्रेस चाहिए तो आप उसमें रॉ सिल्क लें. वी विल डू एनी वन ऑफ दीज फॉर यू. दैट्स द कलर दैट आई एम वेयरिंग. आई लव दिस लेमन येलो. एंड गाइज अगेन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है दैट यू आर नॉट अफ्रेड टू वेयर कलर्स. जो एक परसेप्शन है, बिकॉज आई डोंट थिंक देयर इज एनीथिंग ट्रू कि दिस कलर मेक्स मी लुक लाइक दिस. आई हियर इट डे इन डे आउट दैट इट मेक्स मी लुक लाइक दिस. नाउ ऑफकोर्स यू डोंट फील दैट, यू मे हैव हर्ड समबडी से इट टू यू, एंड मेरे ख्याल से वो जो वॉइस है ना, उसको किल कर देना चाहिए वेयर देयर इज अ डाउट. बिकॉज इफ यू हैव बिन लविंग लेमन येलो इन योर लाइफ एंड यू हैव बिन थिंकिंग कि मुझे ये पहनना है, तो यही मौका है पहनने को. 5 मीटर प्लस ये दुपट्टा आपका आएगा फॉर 25,000. दिस इज द heaviest, most beautiful georgette. We don't do it by the grams because we make it for ourselves, so we don't make it like that, but it is the most beautiful. 2800 रुपये पर मीटर दुपट्टा, 11,000. और इसका जो लास्ट कलर है मेरे पास वो ये है, which is this. Okay, now I'm going to get into something else which is directly only दुपट्टा in georgettes, जो सभी है ऑफर प्राइस पे 1800 रुपये लेस. सो ये दुपट्टे we make by the hundreds, we sell them by the hundreds. Okay, every year we do it, and it is such a special way of dressing up because you have a nice suit. हो सकता है आपके पास वो एक बहुत सुंदर सूट हो. अब मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी 13450 में ये इतने सारे पीसेस आपको मिल रहे हैं, एंड यू कैन सी दैट आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शन. मैं खोल के ही दिखाऊंगी आपको, and you can go for it. Okay, so there you go. This is one very lovely one. We'll keep doing it. जो एक दाम है वो मैं आपको बताती हूँ. Without tassels, it is 11,000. That's the flat price for now. And with tassels, it is 13,450. That is the flat price. Okay. So if you want, अच्छा किसी में अगर नहीं है और आपको ऐड करना है वो हम जरूर ऐड कर देंगे. But each color has its beauty. So take your pick. I'm going to be showing you many of these. Oh, that's really amazing. You know, when you have that shadi ghar ki, you want to wear something, you know, look at that. Oh, somebody saying, oh, love your collection, I would appreciate you. Stitching, yes, that's not the, I mean, we don't do stitching, okay, but we will give you every step. We'll give you the fabric, we'll give you the look, we'll give you the lining, so that it's so easy about just executing. You know, we want you to be able to create your personal style statements with us. Oh my God, look at that. That's a wonderful color. It's such a stunning royal blue. All of these at like such great prices. We are showing you. हम आराम से आज सैटरडे मॉर्निंग है. आज you know सबके पास रहता है वो टाइम जब आप शॉपिंग कर सके, ढूंढ सके अपना पीस. अच्छा, अब ढूंढना तो बहुत इजी हो गया है बिकॉज जब से www.neep.store या सिर्फ आप neep.store लिखें तो आपको ये फैसिलिटी आती है. अच्छा, एक चीज मुझे जरूर कहनी है, हमारे वेबसाइट पे 3 कैटेगरीज है, सूट, फैब्रिक, दुपट्टास. बहुत सारे सूट्स उसमें एंसेम्बल में भी है जिनमें आपको सिर्फ दुपट्टा या फैब्रिक भी मिल सकता है. सो देर इज अ व्हाट्सएप बटन, शॉप ऑन व्हाट्सएप, तो आप अपनी स्टिचिंग लेके आए एंड यू नो. अच्छा, अगर आप यूएस में हैं तो आप जरूर हमारी टीम को एक बार मैसेज करिए. यूएस में है, कनाडा में है, कहीं भी इंडिया के बाहर है, so once just message them and then you can speak to them on what's possible on the stitching part with them. Okay, so that's something, of course, especially for all of you outside India. And we are also trying a mechanism where we can prepay your custom duty. We're trying it honestly. हमने कुछ parcels भेजे जहाँ हमने prepay किया. Of course, they are full price products. On these, shipping is extra 3850. But मेरा ये कहना है कि I know कि बहुत सारे अभी कुछ डाउट्स हैं हम सभी में हैं कि कैसे होएगा. एंड वी हैव ऑल्सो डन लॉट ऑफ पेपर वर्क फॉर दैट, यू नो, टू बी एबल टू गिव यू अ स्मूथ एक्सपीरियंस फॉर यूएस शिपिंग. और हम चाह रहे हैं कि कोई तरीका हम ढूंढ पाए जहां हम आपकी प्रीपे कर दे ड्यूटी फॉर फुल प्राइस प्रोडक्ट. सो देन इट्स जस्ट अबाउट picking your pieces and getting it in your hand. Many of you coming this year, जो आप आ रहे हैं तो आपको you know अपने family and friends को of course and boutiques को you can get it shipped in India. But अगर आप नहीं आ रहे हैं and you have all of those functions to be attending in you know whichever country that you guys are in, we are blessed to have you all over the world. Then we can definitely figure out something and we can, मतलब shipping तो हम करते ही हैं, every day we are able to ship it to you, but on the stitching part we can definitely look into it. Now there you go. But remember that the fabrics that you see, you know, the flow that you see, it's all about it. So if you have somebody, get it done by them, you know, because honestly style guides हैं, सारी references हैं, so that it's really easy. आपने कुछ देखा, आपने उसको reference दिया, and that's it. You will have the perfect outfit. But we really want you to be making your personal style statements with Neep. You are so amazing. You guys always have been, you know, and everything is about how you want to wear it. Of course, एक suggestive silhouette हम जरूर दिखाते हैं आपको, but मैंने ये भी देखा over the years that of course many of you go for those silhouettes and many of you add your touch to it. Both ways you look so superb. The last 2-3 that I'm showing you in just the dupattas, 11,000 and 13,450 with tassels, they are both absolutely amazing. All of these. Now the most important thing, हम इनमें जॉर्जेट नहीं दिखा रहे हैं. जॉर्जेट बहुत तो में थे बट अब नहीं है क्योंकि सब शिप हो गए. कुछ हमने रोके थे आपको दिखाने के लिए. तो अब इनमें अच्छा जितने भी दुपट्टे अभी तक मैंने दिखाए आपको 15 कोई 10-15 दुपट्टे दिखाए, इन सभी में आपको प्लेन जॉर्जेट मिल सकता है इन द सेम डाइट कलर. कई बार ये होता है कि मैंने विजुअली ये देखा तो मुझे इजी रहता है, बट इनके हमारे पास ऑफ कोर्स पिक्चर्स हैं, वो हम जो शेयर कर देंगे. और कोई अगर ऐसा दुपट्टा हुआ कि नहीं है उसमें, बट यू हैव टू इमेजिन that beautiful georgette fabric will be dyed in the same color and it's going to look really nice as a complete set. कोई भी complete set आप देख सकते हैं. Now that's a wonderful red. For 11,000 you're seeing a combination, you know, that you will see. I'll show you a combination, a perfect red combination. Now I'm going to show you this because it's beautiful as a set together and it's such a nice, you know, very dear client. She said, you know, she was talking to me, she said, it's like a tomato red. I love it. You know, it's not a typical red. And I said, yes, that is true. And me, my team, we are always available for you. अच्छा, जब phone पे बात करने की बात आती है, you have to just leave us a message. If somebody, where any one of us is there, at that time, we will catch you on that. Now, एक perfect red suit, 25,000, 5 मीटर plus दुपट्टा. Court style में करेंगे तो 4-4.5 ले लीजिए. It's a full width one that you'll be able to do. And this color, वो जो एक, you know, we all need that perfect nudes, okay? And not only in lipsticks, but you also need it in your dressing, because when you have these in your wardrobe, any bag, any shoe, any lip color, any jewelry, and whatever you pair it up with, this is going to make you look so elegant and so classy. I mean, that's the whole look. The perfect nudes, and that's what we have. एक तो ये था, same के साथ मैं एक और दिखाती हूँ. It is amazing option for you to be going for. So add the tassel if you want, add the lining के दो option है, you have that choice. But in itself, अगर आप नए हैं, आपको लगता है मुझे एक चीज try करनी है, go for it. Try one fabric, try a dupatta, but go for it. Now, I'm going to be showing you one genre which we haven't shown you so far. This is also the last live of the week. This is also the last live of the event, which is the plain georgette one. So ये सब बात याद रखिए. और ये gorgeous दुपट्टे हैं जो एकदम style statements हैं, are ombres. And right now they're going to be at 1,800 less, which is going to be 17,800 less 1,800, which is going to be 16,000 for these beautiful dupattas, right? So that's the dupatta that is going to be there. Here it is. I mean, look at that color. We're going to be showing you. Here you go. Okay? I mean, look at the fact that you could be picking up जो आपके outfit है वो इनमें से कोई भी color में हो सकती है. मेरा हमेशा ये है जो edge के color हैं आपके, जो भी दोनों sides के color हैं, this or this is where you should be going for. Ideally, it makes it like the styling easier. But yeah, go for the middle color because this also falls on it. So really, it's going to be amazing. For 16,000, then there is this again. We just, you know, wanted to add some fun to it. So we wanted to kind of give you this, that look at it. This is beautiful and pick out any color. Now let's show you this combination. And it's going to be stunning. Now this one is the neon yellow. It's beautiful. Okay, I mean, look at the flow. Imagine yourself wearing a nice kurta, a top kind of a style with white pants, white georgette pants, and you know you can be going for a one-sided shoulder long kurta, and then you could be doing a really flary white bottom. It will look stunning. Okay, so you know silhouettes आपके हैं. Whatever you prefer. Over the years, I think all of us figure out कि मेरे पे ये silhouette ज़्यादा suit करता है. So that is also the greatest thing, is that you can make your style statement so personal with Neve. Now that's a very nice color to pair this up with. And then I'm going to be doing this. I love this. Okay, there you go. You can see this color. You can see that it looks perfect with it. So one yellow suit, but because Neve hai, तो दोनों ऑप्शन है. That's what we always want to do, give you so much more than what's really needed, or what's the basics. Now here you go, one grand dupatta, this one with all its handwork, which is right now at 16,000, with the blue combination for you to see, with the yellow combination for you to see, and on its own, two extremely beautiful colors that are going to look so gorgeous as a cord. Like, you've seen me do the cord look today, and if you're going to be doing that cord look, you want this organza dupatta, I'm going to bring it out and wear it properly in just a bit. Thoda sa it's got upar niche. I'm going to wear it bit again and show it to you in just a bit. We just keep it here, and so that you really can have a look. But you can do this kind of a cord. Now you can see that it's amazing. You can make your kurtas longer, your sleeves shorter, you can make it strappier. Okay, that is amazing flow of fabrics that you must not miss. Okay, and this one, अब ये देखिए, ये इतना सुंदर दुपट्टा है. That's the first thing to it. And I'm going to show you the most gorgeous combination. Look at that. When you wear this color, and yes, oh, so somebody's even giving their live feedback. That's always such a great thing about the lives, and so much love from you guys always coming. Thank you. Now look at that. That's the most amazing, beautiful combination. Pura handwork kiya hua hai. This big boota, all done by hand, which kind of really dresses it up. There you go. I think it's very beautiful with this dark green. And now we've done this combination, we're doing it, we've done it, yeah. We are done with this. एक बार मैं ग्लिम्स जरूर दिखा देती हूँ आपको. इसके दो पीस है हमारे पास. This is at 16,000. अच्छा, बहुत जरूरी. One thing I want to tell you is that the ombres we don't repeat, okay, because it's very impossible to get the same colors. So yeah, this one is a great piece for you to be going after. These only the fabrics. Okay, now let's do that entire bundle first, and then we'll end with the sets. Now what I'm going to do is show you जो भी fabrics हमारे पास हैं, जिनमें अभी दुपट्टे नहीं हैं, पर दुपट्टे के options आप हमें just simply पूछेंगे तो मैं बता दूंगी आपको दुपट्टे के ऑप्शंस, बिकॉज we'll give it to you visually. पूरे जॉर्जेट दुपट्टे हैं हमारे पास. देन हमारे पास ऑर्गेन्जा दुपट्टा विद द 11,000 वाला है, एंड देन यू ऑल्सो हैव इट विद द one that the other one which is the 14,000, and right now we have done the ombre. This is the color that I was wearing the other day. It is the perfect ivory. कोई दुपट्टा नहीं है मेरे पास आज दिखाने को इसके साथ, because of course it's all sold out. But you know what I'm going to do? वाइट जॉर्जेट दुपट्टे जो हैं हमारे पास, मैं 1 मिनट में आपको ला के दिखा देती हूँ. विल यू बी एबल टू टेक इट आउट? यू चेक इफ यू विल बी एबल टू टेक इट आउट. दैट दोज डायबल दुपट्टास, इवन 2-3 ऑप्शंस, is a great way for me to be showing it to you. So this white dupatta, this ivory color with any of the colors that you would like to go. I'm also introducing all of these beautiful colors for you. Now look at that. This is the dupatta. I had done the polka, but you can also do this. Yes, that's a good one. Now this dupatta, now you can see how amazing it looks like. So this is again 11,000 without tassels, dyeable, and for you to be picking out any one that you want. Now you can see this ivory look with each one of these. ये natural way में white होते हैं, मेरे हाथ में जो है वो dyed fabric है. It's in a perfect beautiful ivory. We've spent a lot of whole टाइम लास्ट लाइव में इनके पूरे कलर्स दिखाने के लिए, एंड यू मस्ट चेक इट आउट. अब मैं जो आपको दिखा रही हूँ वो सारे मेरे हिसाब से बड़े यूनिक शेड्स जो हैं प्लेन जॉर्जेट के, वो मैं दिखा रही हूँ, जिसके साथ आप ले सकते हैं कोई भी दुपट्टा आपके चॉइस का. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम शोइंग इट टू यू. देयर यू गो. नाउ लुक एट दैट. दैट्स अ रियली नाइस लेमनी कलर, बट वेरी deep beautiful color. This is like a brown shade. It's a wine shade. Okay, and this I will show it with this. मैं lemony shade आपको दिखाती हूँ with yesterday's hot shade, which was this neon color. Okay, everybody wants it with white katan and white georgette. I think that's what most of you have gone for katan, but मेरा ये कहना है कि white georgette with this will, can we get this georgette again? Yeah, I'll show it to you how it looks. This is the ivory, so this is how it looks when you wear it together as a combination. You can even do this as a combination. They're so elegant, so classy, ever fresh. Now, so whether you're going to be going for the fabrics, whether, oh, that's a very nice dusty pink, it looks incredible. Okay, and I'm going to show you another color. Look at that, a fresh pink, a dusty pink, a deep color. It's very pretty. And then we'll also get this very pretty dupatta as it is with it, because it's going to be amazing with it. Look at that. This is one of our premium pieces. Look at the tassels. Look at the finishing. Can we get the ivory again, in fact, to see if it's going to go well on the ivory? But I think it looks very pretty on the pink. Let's check it on the ivory so that then you can make up your mind कि किस look पे जाना है. Lemon भी शायद, we should try the lemon too. I think, oh, it also looks very nice. It's an organza base. It's one tar work in multicolor, in chikankari. It's got gotapati. The yellow is also looking very pretty. So you've seen the yellow, you've seen the pink, you've seen the white, and you've seen all the combinations. It's a gorgeous ultra. And there is also that touch of Mukesh, which is there. It's got everything in this piece. सबसे ज़रूरी आप इसकी जाली का अगर वर्क देखेंगे, then you will know what I'm talking about. It is as clean, as beautiful as it can be. Okay, now we go on to a teal. I don't think we've done a teal so far. So you can see the teal. Teal के साथ आ रहा है ये pink, and then you will go for this. Are these some other colors than our? Okay, these are some other beautiful colors that we have. They're only fabrics at the moment. दुपट्टा तो हम कर ही पाएंगे. So this is of course the last live on this topic. Okay, on topic क्या? Even week का भी last live है, because today is Saturday and this event is closing tomorrow night, which makes it absolutely important. Tomorrow night or Monday morning? Yeah, on the website it's going to go away at 12. Yeah, or it's going to go on Monday morning away. So therefore we'll give them accordingly that time. So we'll put out that information that कल रात में 12 बजे होएगा या morning में 10 बजे होएगा. We'll let you know. But this is the time for you to be picking out, because Saturday थोड़े हम सब free रहते हैं इस समय, तो आप अपने choices कर सकते हैं of these amazing colors that you gotta go for. And look at this, such amazing oranges. Okay, ask us. We'll send you what we have so that you can, oh, this one now, this is like total sunflower yellow. And बहुत सुंदर है. It's got its beauty, this sunflower yellow. And I'm of course showing you colors, solid colors together that can be paired together, you know, for those ultra beautiful gowns, cords, looks, attires, tops, you know, you can do all that. Now look at that. This is very pretty. That's like a deep burgundy shade. Now this one is a different kind of a gold. So I'm going to show it to you this. And then we're also going to be going for this. So like a nice bubblegum pink. Then you have this soft pink. I don't think we've done this baby pink so far. This is a very nice baby pink and you can be going for it. We're just going to be winding up with the last 4 or 5 pieces that we have for you. Okay, this is one, and this, with this we're going to be showing you this dupatta that we have. There you go, which is at 18,800. That's the special price because it's one only. Okay, इसको अगर आप बनवाएंगे, the price is 20,800. That's the original price. It's a very dressy, very beautiful dupatta. So क्योंकि ये one piece only है, तो therefore this is 18,800. Otherwise it's going to be 20,000. And yes, it will come, even with this, it will come with 4 corner tassels. So we'll do that for you. Here you go. It's a beautiful one. Organza का एक और option है design का. हमने अभी तक 2 options को ज़्यादा try किया है, which is 11,000 right now in offer, which I am going to wear just in about a minute. And ये देखिए, this, it is very, very pretty. I've just gotten the pink out so that you can see the combination. And at the end, we have the most amazing reds, because all of you have been honestly. Now this is dupatta is 10,800. It's beautiful, and what a gorgeous, look at that. This is an entire bundle of this, and it is amazing. Okay, so 2 lives, 2 looks for sure, like fully. One look was more like a pan look, so that's also there. बहुत कुछ है on the page, but बहुत लिमिटेड टाइम के लिए है, विच इज टिल टुमारो. बट उससे भी ज़्यादा है कि बहुत छोटे कंटेंट है, तो आप बहुत ईजिली उनको देख पाएंगे. आई लव दिस. हाँ, somehow this red in this design looks so good. It's something you cannot miss. Okay, and I'm going to show you, and this is actually ready to be going out today, so that's the good thing. अच्छा, बहुत important, कैश ऑन डिलीवरी, COD जिसको भी हम कहते हैं, is available all over India. So you don't have to feel that कोई ज़रूरी है कि मैं पूरा प्री पे करूँ. आप एक टोकन अमाउंट दे दें और बाकी आराम से आपके घर पे सामान आएगा. आप पेमेंट करेंगे टू द कोरियर पर्सन एंड यू कैन टेक इट. दिस, इमेजिन दिस गॉर्जियस ग्रैंड रेड दुपट्टा जो हम सबको चाहिए. नाइस रेड दुपट्टा फॉर 11,000, and this is an offer you cannot miss, guys. And of course, these dupattas, now I'm going to come to this dupatta, it's another great option for you. Okay, so you've got the georgette ones. Okay, you've got the georgette ones, then you've got this. Now see this dupatta, it is beautiful. Whether you're going to be going for rust, whether you're going to be going for the ivory, which we showed you the other day. Okay, we have both the options in this amazing look. So I'm going to say it like this: one suit look ivory, you'll need about 6.5 to 7.5 meters depending on your size. This cord 4 to 4.5 meters depending on your size. And then finally yesterday's bottoms, that flary nice bottoms, you'll need about 2.5 to 2.75, 3 as per your size. Wear it with a plain katan kurta and you are set. Thank you so much for your love. Have a great weekend ahead. It's a time-bound offer, so you must go for it, because from Monday the price is increasing to 34.50. So yeah, that's a big jump, and make the most of it. पर उससे भी ज़्यादा इतनी सुंदर चीज़ें, उन पे भी स्पेशल प्राइस. There's nothing to miss. And अगर पहली बार आप करने वाले हैं, मैं आपको ये बोलती हूँ बात, यही मौका है वो पहली बार में आपको जब जाके लेना चाहिए नीव का पहला पीस. It's going to be a special moment and experience for you, so do try it. I'll see you soon again. Thank you.